Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Rosanjoy Kako, 24 years old, single with living partner, blessed with one kid, a girl 6 years old. I am currently living here in the Philippines. I have experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 4 years, year 2019 to 2023, in simple family of 4, ages 36, 40, 2 years old, and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities to them are taking good care of the children, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, cooking food 3 times a day, doing household chores, and tutoring the children. To my past employer, I am happy because you are satisfied on me. To my future employer, you can trust me, Mom and Sir. I am an honest and loyal person. Thank you. Have a blessed day.